Have you ever waved your hand and your phone just did what you wanted, without even touching it? That's motion gesture, and honestly, it might be one of the coolest and most underrated features on modern smartphones. Motion gesture lets you control your phone using simple hand movements. Imagine pausing a video by waving your hand, changing songs with a swipe in the air, or answering calls when your hands are messy, all without touching the screen. It feels futuristic, but it's already here, and it's changing the way we use our devices. The biggest advantage is convenience. Whether you're cooking, driving, or working out, you don't need to smudge your screen or stop what you're doing. Just a quick motion, and your phone responds instantly. It's not just about comfort, it's about speed and accessibility. People with mobility issues or dirty hands benefit from it even more. And the technology behind it is wild. Sensors and front cameras detect small gestures, track movement, and translate them into commands in real time. Some phones even use radar-based systems to read micro-motions, making the response almost instant. Battery use: minimal. Effort: 0. Productivity: way up. Plus, it just looks awesome when you control your phone like Tony Stark. Motion gesture is becoming more popular because it combines AI, sensors, and design into one seamless experience. It's not just a gimmick, it's the future of how we'll interact with tech. So next time someone says, "Why use motion gestures?" just show them how easy it is to skip songs or take selfies without touching your phone. Once you try it, you'll never want to go back. If you found this video helpful, hit like before you subscribe and tell us in the comments, what's your favorite motion gesture feature on your phone?